the time, hours, minutes and seconds. This is the time. So if we like to extract the hour section, so this is the hours is 6, the minute section with the help of this formula we can extract, which is 15, and the seconds section, which is giving us 27 seconds. So the time section is important. Look at this. Here is the time section. And to extract the all three parts separately from the given time in a cell, you can use this formula: equal hours in the cell reference, equal minutes in the cell reference, equal seconds in the cell reference. Let's see some more important calculation of times. Now look at this. In this detailed given sheet, we can find out and calculate the elapsed minutes and seconds. You can see here that 8:57 and 11:04. It is 3 minutes to 9 and it is 4 minutes past 11. And how much time left? It is 2 hours and 6 minutes left. So we can calculate the duty hours in the office with the help of this formula. Look at this. If C4, which is here is the C4, less than B4, if it is less than B4, comma 0, then 0, otherwise plus C4 minus B4, comma C4 minus B4. So the one side of C4 minus B4 is conditional and the other side is neutral. If C4 is greater than B4, comma 0, plus if C4 is lesser than, if C4 is lesser than B4, comma 0, plus C4 minus B4, comma C4 minus B4. This is calculating as a very good duty time, which is most of the time needed in the time office of the companies, factories and offices. Like this. Now here is the time. For example, look at this time is typical. From 2:33 p.m. to 2:01 p.m. It is a long duty time, almost 24 hours, but you can see that the formula is calculating it very nicely and very accurate. Keep this formula with you. If someone of you is working in the office or a factory and you want to calculate time, so this formula will kind of handy for you. Let's see what do we have in the next sheet.